Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial.
On today's tutorial, we're going to learn about status bar. Remember, we've already done our ribbon bar, so today we're doing status bar. So this is a customizable interface element. It's located down here, this down things you see here. So you can customize this however you want. If you click these three dots at the far end, this is going to pop up. So this is the status bar. Anything you click here is going to tick, meaning it's on, and it's going to appear down here. So yes, anything that you want to use, you can just come down, you can just click on it and it's going to appear down, so you can use on a regular basis. So I'm going to be teaching you the important commands that you should on your status bar and their uses. Yeah, so the first one, we have our grid line. So if I on this, you can on and off it. So if I on this, you see the lines that appear in your workspace. If you off it, the line disappears. So yeah, this is used for scale and proportions. It helps in measurement and all. Then this other two, we have this other two, this one and this one. These are our restrict cursor key. So the first one helps to restrict orthogonally. I'm going to explain it. So now, if you want to draw a line, I've already clicked my line. If this is off, you see your line can go anywhere. It does not restrict either horizontal or vertically because the line is off. But if this is on, the line is restricted to only horizontal and vertical. So you see, so this is very, very important. Then the second one, that's this. Both of them cannot be on at the same time. One have to be on, one have to be off. Second one, restrict to specific angles. So now there's a if you click this, you see there's angle 90, 180, but I prefer to use the second one, that is 45, 90, 135, because 45 is like right angle. So yeah, so this restricts to, if you stretch it very well, you're going to see angle 45 is going to, this is an angle 45, and you can also do your angle 90 and also 180. So yes, those are the functions of those two key. This one is mostly used for roofing, when you're doing roofing, or you can also use it for like your sectioning and all. Yeah, so those are the function of those two. So moving on to the third one, we have our object snap. So this helps to measure, sorry, this helps to ensure precision by allowing the cursor to snap to specific points. So you can on and off it as usual. So if you come here, you see we have different snap functions here. We have end point, midpoint, center, whatever, name it. So let me just use an example to explain what it actually does. So you see now my end point and midpoint are both on. Let me explain it for you. So let me say I want to draw a square. I want to draw a square. So now I've started drawing. So now you see, I want this thing to snap to the end. This is the end point. So you can see you can easily snap, but if this is off, you can't just easily pick out this end point. You can't easily pick it out. You see, I'm finding issue. But once it's on, you can easily pick out the end point. Once it's there, it's going to just snap. It's going to click there. That's just it. So yeah, this also happens for midpoint or any other point you set it to. So this is very, very important. It's very, very important while drawing. So these are the basic status bars that should be on. They're very important and they help. There are others though, but these are the important ones that I use on a daily basis. Another thing I would like to say in this tutorial is, with this part down here, this is our command line. So basically what our command line does is that it helps in displaying information and also providing quick access to essential drafting tools. For example now, let me say now I'm using anything you are using, any tool you're using at the moment is going to show your command line. It's going to show any command you're making use of will show your command line. If I click line, you see down here, line shows up. If I click arc shows up. Anything you're using. So it helps you to know, oh, which command am I using at the moment? Yes. And also you can simply get all the things you have worked for. Look, I just click arc and line, so it pops up here. So the recent command use, you can easily get them from this icon here. You can easily get them from there. So if I click rotate and I click move and I click trim and I come here, you're going to see all the commands I've used. They are here. So you can easily go back to the commands you use. Another thing again, let me say if you want to like click, you want to trim, you can easily just come here and type trim, trim. See, it's going to pop up. The same thing as just typing in your workspace, TRIM. It's the same thing. It's going to pop up. So anyone works fine. That's just it. So sometimes some people command line might not be on. It might not be on. So I'm going to show you how to just simply on your command line, because sometimes you might make mistake and cancel it. Yes, if you cancel it, it can cancel, it can disappear. Or sometimes when you on your AutoCAD, it might not be on. So yeah, just simply just type command line. Yes, if you type command, you see it's command line. You click on it and it's going to pop up. So that's just simply it. So that's all for today. So ensure to subscribe, like, and comment on where you have issues. In our next class, we're going to be going into the real deal. We're going to learn how to start drawing structures. We're going to learn how to start drawing architectural structures such as the windows, the doors, the rails, staircase, and every other thing. Yes, so bye guys.